This week, a mod that will help you around your world and also decorate it at the same time. Dr. Zark is the genius behind a famous mod called Mo Creatures and the inventor of the 1.6 horses. He has also just released another hit, Magic Carpets. Magic Carpets does exactly what it sounds like. You will be able to craft carpets that you can ride like Aladdin himself. The first thing that you have to do is craft a rug, just a normal rug. So these carpets actually are just a decorative piece. It doesn't really function at all. I've tried yelling "Cadabra" at these like 3 or 4 times and it just didn't work. They're just not quite magic yet. So first, how do you craft these carpets? Let's go ahead and hang. Whoa. You're ruining all the magic carpet surprises. So first, how to craft the carpet. Over here in my little chest, I have all the materials that I need. Each carpet has a different recipe for the different color. We're going to be making the red and black one. So it's quite simple. You take the red wool and put it in the corners, and the black wool and place it in the middle. Your gold needs to go on the sides, sort of like gold fringe on the carpet, and then string in the middle to tie it all together. And then you are given a red rug. Now this red rug can be placed on the ground by standing and then right-clicking, and for me I have to do it twice, and then it kind of falls onto the ground all rolled up like this. You get it to unroll by punching it, and then it unrolls. And if you would like to pick it back up off the ground, you punch it again and it rolls up, and then you can right-click and it will pop off of the ground for you to pick up. Now, like I said, not magical yet. How do you make it magical? Well, you can do a few things. You have to combine it back in a crafting table. In this case, I'm going to be using a blaze rod, and it adds this magical enchant to the carpet. You can also do the same thing with an enchanting book or with a bottle of enchanting, and then you're given a magic carpet. Now, it works just the same as the other carpet. When you set it down on the ground, it just kind of hits the ground, and you can see that it is enchanted. It looks different than the other carpet. And then when we punch it to unroll it, whoa! Look at that! It's magical! It even has crazy particles out of the bottom. It's so super insane. Now, just go ahead and right-click this, and you will get on top of the carpet and use your normal keys to fly around. Cheeto's up there already. He's coming down to meet us. Now, of course, these are a little bit glitchy, so you will see sometimes that players will either fly away or be disconnected from the carpet. The controls are a little bit not intuitive. On the forum post, it mentions things like use the jump key to fly, but in Mo Creatures, the jump key is the Z key. So if you're having a little bit of problems, use the Z key to ascend in space, and then use the left shift key to descend. When you find a place that you would like to dismount, let's go ahead and just get down here to some usable space, and you also do float down just naturally. So I'm sitting here on the ground. If I hit the descend key again, I will jump off of the magic carpet. To pick it back up, I can go ahead and punch it, and it folds right back up, and then right-click and pop. Now I have my carpet, and I can go into this library to read all about the magical books that I've wanted. I don't even know why I'm here. So now that you have your magic carpet, go out to your world and explore all the things. You move faster than just running around. And come on, like, if your friends connect to the server and you have carpets, they're just gonna be amazed.